In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Charles Schwab. We'll keep it simple and efficient, following the most common method, moving money from your Schwab account to your bank. Think of the flow like this. First, make sure you have cash, then go to move money, pick an online transfer, and you're done. Start by confirming you actually have cash available to withdraw. If your funds are tied up in stocks or other investments, you'll need to sell those positions first. After you sell, the proceeds typically settle in about one business day. Only settled, available cash can be transferred out. So if you've just sold something, you may see a pending amount that isn't movable yet. Once you see available cash in your account, you're good to proceed. Next, log into your Schwab account. From the main navigation, find Move Money, then select Transfers and Payments. The wording looks similar on the website and the app, and it brings you to the place where you can move funds between accounts. Now choose Online Transfer, which is the easiest and most cost-effective option. This is an ACH transfer, and it's free. Set the From field to your Schwab account and the To field to your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to move, then review the details. When everything looks right, click Continue and then Confirm. You should see a confirmation screen right away. If you don't see your bank listed, Schwab will prompt you to link one, but in most cases, it'll already be there. After you confirm, give it a little time. ACH transfers typically arrive in 1 to 2 business days. You can keep an eye on status in your transfer history, but most transfers complete without any extra action from you. If you need the money faster, there are other options. A wire transfer moves funds the same day and is great when time is critical. There's usually a fee of about $15, and your bank might have its own policies for incoming wires, so use this when speed matters most. If you have a Schwab debit card, you can also withdraw cash at an ATM. This works worldwide and is handy for getting physical cash right away. And if you prefer paper, you can request a check to be mailed to you, which generally takes 6 to 9 days to arrive. Just make sure your mailing address on file is current. That's it. Confirm you have available cash, use Move Money to set up a free online transfer, and wait for it to land in your bank. Simple, clear, and done.